Everybody's Topwater Johnny. It's still below 60 degrees in Florida. The topwater bite is off. So for this bass fishing video, we're going to be using the wintertime bass fishing lure called the bladed jig. Let's go. Whoa, there we go. Yeah! Woo, holy cow, folks. Topwater Johnny here, man. This is what we came here for. Look at that. Get back here. Look at that right there. That's the kind of beast that we came here for. There we go. Woo! At that one. Hooked. Hey everybody, it's Topwater Johnny. And in this video here, I decided to try out a bladed jig. Got this a couple years ago. Never was able to use it, but saw an opportunity to use it in this video. So I'm going to do a little bladed jig fishing here, something a little different for Topwater Johnny. But I want to try it out, see how it feels, so I can really share with you my thoughts about bladed jigs and how they are, and just my thoughts about it. So let's go ahead and get started now. It's the first time I've ever casted this. There we go. There we go. Oh! First time feeling it. There we go. All right. All right. There we go, everybody. On this little gold blade here. All right. Okay, it's a little one, but it's my first one on that little bladed jig. All right. There we go. Through it. There we go. There we go. All right, there we go. Woo! Yeah. On another one on that bladed jig. All right. There he goes. He's gone. There, another little one on that blade. Another little one on that bladed jig right there. A little one, but on that bladed jig. All right. There we go. All right. There we go. go, everybody. On that bladed jig. On that bladed jig right there. There it is, right there. On that bladed jig. Okay, everybody. One of our lures today will be the inline spinner. So we'll be putting this little inline spinner out to work on this very cool day, and we'll see what happens. All right. There we go. Inline spinner. All right. There we go, everybody. On that little inline spinner. Once again, definitely chunky and been eating on stuff. All right. There we go. On the inline. Oh, we lost them. Crap. Lost that one. Lost that one on that inline spinner right there. Barely felt him. It's so windy out here. All right, let's keep going. There we go. There we go. All right. All right, everybody. Got that one. Got that one on that inline spinner right there. All right. Yes, sir. All right. Once again, nice little chunky one right here. Okay. Everybody's talking with Johnny here. Well, we're doing pretty good out here. We done got two so far on the inline spinner. I'm going to keep on fishing with it. We'll see if there's any more we can make happen with it. But I am very pleased with that. It's a windy day out here. There's a lot of chop on the water. It's cold for Florida. And I just figured I got to get down to where they are to see if I can make it happen. So, like I said before, we're just going to keep on going and keep on moving. All right. There we go. On that inline. All right. There we go. Another one here. All right. On that inline spinner. All right. They see it. All right. There's another one. On that inline spinner. Hey everybody, it's Topwater Johnny here. Hope you enjoyed that video here. I dropped that video because it is truly cold in Florida. And I really could not see myself not giving you guys a video this week at the end of the week here. Earlier this week it was cold. That's why I did the inline spinner video. Today that you're watching this video, I dropped the bladed jig because frankly it was cold here. This lure right here gets down into the water column where those fish are, where they're holding, where they're suspending, and it really looks like a fleeing bait fish. As you can see right here, I'll just show you. It actually has frog hooks right here, but they actually glide across the bottom over those rocks. I actually put on there, as you can see, a feathered tail on the back of mine to give it a little bit more action as well. It's got those 3 holes where you decide to, tie your line in. The middle one will allow it to be a jig up and down. I always had mine in the front, so it's always leaning forward. You could have it leaning back, but I had mine up front, so it's leaning forward, and I was reeling it aggressively to keep it moving and off of the bottom, because down here in Florida, it could get tangled up really quick. This particular lure is 2 inches in length, and actually right on the belly of it, it'll even say it, this is a 1/4 ounce. And these kind of lures come in different sizes, weights. I think this is one of the lighter ones right here. And when you're watching the video, I actually fished with my bait caster, and it was on monofilament. So I was really trying to keep this as high as I could in the water column so that it wasn't bumping the bottom, because down here it would just get snagged up. And so it was on my 7-foot bait caster, and it has 12-pound monofilament on it as well. And really, it was just so cold here that I said, I've got to get out, got to fish, do what I love to do, but I got to deal with this uncertainty here. And so I just adapted. And so as you watch my video, you saw me making adjustments, adapting, talking about it. And really the goal is to fish where the fish are. I'm a topwater guy. That's what I will always be, everyone. But in this particular time and situation, I had to adapt. And I had to do some things that I normally wouldn't do. And that's what I did, so that I could produce some content for you guys to watch and enjoy. I do promise you that we're going to get back on track with our topwater stuff really soon. Once the weather breaks and gets a little bit warmer, we'll be back on course. Of course, I've got a shipment of topwater lures that'll be coming in soon, so I'll be dropping those, talking about those as well. And that's what I really just wanted to share with you guys here in this closing of this video out. Please leave a comment below. Let me know. Have you ever fished with a bladed jig before? What's your thoughts about it? Any results that you had with it? Love to hear your comments below about it as well. I can't say that I'm going to be fishing with it a lot, but I had to fish with it at this time. And sometimes that's what you got to do when you're out on the water, is grab hold to a lure you normally wouldn't use because you want to get a bite. And so that's what I did in this particular video. But I'm going to get back to my topwater as always, so that you guys can see the coolest and the newest topwater lures, because that's what this channel is all about. But I don't ever want to disappoint you with not having some footage of me fishing, because I think it's important for you guys to just hang with me and watch me do this fishing, because my goal is to help you guys become better fishermen through my experiences. So once again, I just want to thank you guys for coming over here to the channel. Once again, for my new subscribers, welcome. For my old subscribers, thank you so much for being with me on this journey. Please like, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the like button. Hit the like button. That helps more people know about what we're doing over here. Thank you guys so much. And I want you to always remember that phrase. Keep your line tight, because when they hit those topwater lures, it's going to be a big bite. I'll see you in the next video.